Installation of the cWatch Charging Station XL. The video will show unpacking the set elements, choosing the installation location, assembling the charging station, and charging the cWatch devices. Package contents. Start by placing the box in a horizontal position and opening it. Then remove the styrofoam protection and proceed to unpack all items except the charging station itself. In the package you will find packages with cWatches, a package with the power supply, a power cable, and a mounting kit with instructions. Under the styrofoam protection, you will also find packages with charging modules. Take them out and then check whether the unpacked items match your order. Note that the number of watches and charging modules may vary depending on your order. If you also ordered cPanel devices, you will find them in a separate package. After removing the smaller items, set the box upright and proceed to unpack the charging station itself. Carefully slide out the device. Next, remove the styrofoam protections located at the top, back, and bottom of the station. Locate and cut the 5 straps positioned at 3 different heights of the device. Finally, unscrew the plates that prevent the station from unfolding automatically using the Allen key included in the set. The charging station is now ready for installation. Selection of installation location. Place the charging station on a stable surface in an upright position directly on the floor. Ensure there is enough space around the device during installation, especially at the back of the charging station. Make sure there is a working electrical socket nearby and that the room has good Wi-Fi or mobile network coverage. Make sure the charging station is placed away from heat sources, including radiators and direct sunlight. Assembly. Start the assembly by ensuring that the station is standing straight and is not wobbling. If necessary, adjust its feet. Once the charging station is stable, lift the rear part of the device into an upright position until you hear a click, indicating that the station is fully unfolded. Locate the 4 mounting holes around the joint between the upper and lower parts. Screw in the bolts to secure the charging station and prevent it from folding. After screwing in all 4 bolts, proceed to install the charging modules. Pay attention to the correct orientation of the module. The pin on the left side of the module should be inserted into the pin located inside the frame of the charging station. Make sure the charging module is inserted straight and pressed all the way in. Install all modules provided with your order in any slots on the charging station. After installing the modules, unpack the power supply and connect it to the included cable. Then connect the power supply to the charging station. You will find the socket at the back of the device at the base of the station. Finally, plug the entire unit into a working electrical outlet. If the assembly was successful, the LEDs located in the upper left corners of the modules will light up. If the LEDs did not light up or lit up red, check whether the modules are properly installed and whether the station is connected to a power source. After completing the assembly, move the charging station to its intended place of use. You can now start charging the cWatches. Charging. After turning on the charging station, place the watch in any slot of the charging module to start charging. When placing the cWatch, ensure the correct orientation of the device. The clasp should be facing upwards so that when placed on the module slot, the pins of the cWatch and the module make contact. If the watch was turned off, charging will cause it to turn on. The cWatch logo will appear on the screen, and after a few minutes, it will switch to the standard charging screen. If charging did not start, make sure the watch is properly aligned with the module and that the module's LED is lit. The color of the screen, from red to green, indicates the current battery charge level. Green, the cWatch is fully charged and ready for use. Orange, the cWatch is partially charged and can be used for a short period. Red, the cWatch is discharged and cannot be used. A white screen means the cWatch currently has no network coverage but is still charging. Once the devices are charged, you can begin using them. Thank you for choosing cWatch.